In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn personal profile URL. Whether you're aiming to share it in a digital resume or connect with colleagues, knowing how to locate and use this URL is an essential skill. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com using your preferred web browser. This could be on your computer or mobile device. But for this walkthrough, we're focusing on the desktop experience. Once there, you'll be greeted by LinkedIn's familiar sign-in page. Here you have a few options to log in. You can choose to sign in with Google or Apple, or simply enter your email address and password, whichever works best for you. After you've entered your login details, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. This is an additional security measure, so don't worry. They will send a secure code to your phone, which you will then need to enter on the website to continue. Make sure to have your phone handy to receive the code efficiently. Once you've successfully signed in and completed any necessary security checks, LinkedIn will direct you straight to your profile page. This is the hub of your professional presence on the platform, where you showcase your experience, skills, and more. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile picture. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From these, select View My Profile. Clicking this option will take you directly to your profile page, where all your professional details are displayed. Now here's the crucial step. To find your personal LinkedIn URL, simply look at your browser's address bar. Right there at the top, you'll see the URL displayed. This web address is unique to your profile and can be shared with others to quickly and easily access your LinkedIn profile. Finally, if you wish to share your LinkedIn profile with someone, all you have to do is highlight that URL, copy it and paste it wherever necessary, such as in an email, social media message, or another platform that supports links. This enables others to view your profile seamlessly with just a click. And there you have it. You've successfully located and learned how to share your LinkedIn personal profile URL. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy networking!